Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Chantel, and today I am doing a look using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. In yesterday's video I did a look, so I wanted to do two looks using the same palette. So today is look number 2, and I'm not bringing you through the steps of foundation, concealer. I'm trying to get through that a little quicker so we can go right into the eyeshadow, and then after the eyeshadow I do finish my face in case you enjoy watching that. So I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and we're just going to jump right in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my primer, foundation, and concealer. For those today, I'm going to use this Becca Instant Complexion Refresh. It's the First Light Priming Filter. And then I'm going to go in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. And I am in color light. I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair. I used this yesterday as well for my first time and absolutely love it, so I'll be using that again. And I'm going to use the Too Faced 24-Hour Insurance Primer for my eyelids to set my eyeshadow nicely. So I will do that and then I'll come back. Now we're going to get right into the palette. So again, this is the Too Faced. It's a little dirty. It doesn't take long. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and there are some beautiful shimmer shadows in here, and it also has 4 matte shades. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one here to set the eye primer, and then I'm going to go into the crease and use this as my transition, and then I'm going to darken it up and be more precise with this darker matte brown here. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, and this light matte shade that I'm setting the primer with is called Rolling in Dough. And now I'm going in with that one shade darker, that tan, and applying that all over my crease. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go in with that darker, the Cocoa Truffles, what it's called, darker brown matte, and I'm just going to kind of do a halo and just pat that all around my crease in inner and outer corners. And then I'm going to go back with the e.l.f. blending brush and buff it all out. Now I'm going to take a more precise crease brush, and I'm going to go into the matte black, which is called Decadent. And I'm just going to very lightly tap my brush, the tip of my brush, into that color. And just kind of draw it right where I want it, which is all around the same place that I put that brown, but just more precisely. And then back in with the e.l.f. brush to blend it all together so it's not so harsh. Now I'm going to take this ColourPop, this is a blending brush, but I'm going to take this, I'm going to use it for this chocolate gold color here. And I'm going to dab it in using the tip of the brush. And I'm going to place it on the inner and outer corners. And it's going to take me a few times going back in with this to build it up. Yesterday's look, I stuck to a more neutral color palette. Today I'm trying to do a little more of a bold color look. I'm going to go in with this Coastal Scents flat shader brush now, and I'm going to take this color called New Money. It's that bright magenta, and I'm going to put that in the center of my eyelid. Oh, look at that color. That's so pretty. These shimmer shadows are so vibrant. And they go on so nicely. I can only imagine what they'd look like if I used like you know, a setting spray or MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that really precise brush that I used for the black and just go around again. And again, back with the e.l.f. blending brush. And now I'm going to take this little brush here and I'm going to put some gold underneath my lower lash line right where I placed it on the top. Or just under where I placed it on the top. Maybe I should go all the way with the gold. I'm going to go all the way with the gold. And then I'm going to take this and just buff it out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to apply mascara and eyeliner. Woo! And then I'll be back. For eyeliner, I used the Marc Jacobs Highliner, and I used this Dior, it's the Dior Show Mascara. And now we're just going to do the accents on the eyes, so we're going to do the inner corner, and I'm going to use the chocolate gold and use that for the inner corner as well. And then for highlighting the brow bone, I'm going to do the same thing I did yesterday. I really like the way it looks. I'm going to use Rolling in the Dough. And I really like this big blending brush for that, for when I'm using a matte to highlight my brow bone. And I'm just going to highlight those. And onto the face. So for contour today, I really love this this contour, which comes in that it's the Smashbox kit that has the Transformers in it, and it looks like almost like a movie, like little movie strips. So I love this contour in here. I just love the way it looks. I love cool toned contours, and I'm going to use this this C517 crown brush for that. Okay, and I'm just going to go around the face. So I just did half, well, I did the cheekbones both sides, but I did just half for the rest of the face so you can kind of see the difference. See how it just adds dimension and gives your face more, you know, shape than this side. So this side I haven't finished and this side is finished. I really love the way it looks. Okay, now we can do a little bronzing. I'm going to go ahead and use the bronzer in this palette as well. And I'm going to use this big fluffy Wet n Wild brush just to warm my face up a little bit. And now on to blush. I'm going to use this Tarte blush. This is in the color Dazzled. This does have some shimmer in it, but when you apply it to the face, you don't really notice the shimmer. So I really am liking this color. I'll use this Crown blush brush. And I'm just going to kind of dab it and blend back. Okay, moving on to highlighter, I'm going to use this e.l.f. This is the Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Pearl Glow. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to use this ColourPop blush, this ColourPop brush for that. See how pretty that highlighter is? That was in one of Tati's videos. She did an e.l.f. haul and recommendations of e.l.f. products, and this was the highlighter she recommended it, and I can absolutely see why. That is beautiful. I'm going to use this lip liner, Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Double Team. Then I'm going to use this Melted Metal Too Faced liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Pony. That is the completed look. Look number 2 using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. So far, I am very much enjoying this palette. I think the formula is up to par with any good quality eyeshadow palette. I'm creating really awesome looks. I think your creativity can go so far with this wide array of different bright colors and neutrals. And of course they have the mattes, which are, you know, the 4 mattes you would typically use on most looks, which is fine. I'm absolutely adoring this palette. I hope that these videos were fun for you and you got some inspiration and ideas from the looks that I came up with. And I can't wait till next time, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!